In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up alerts in Microsoft SharePoint so you never miss important updates again. Whether you're managing shared folders with your team or you simply want to stay informed whenever someone makes a change, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your Office.com account and sign in. Once you're in, look for the SharePoint app and click on it. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any details, especially if you're working with multiple sites or document libraries. Next, select the site you want to work with. After the site loads, click on Documents. Over here, you'll see all your files and folders. Now find the specific folder or file where you want to set an alert. Click on the three dots, also known as the More Options menu, and then choose Alert Me. You'll see several useful options that help you receive notifications whenever changes happen. These alerts can be sent by email, and in some setups, even by text message. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure you're using the correct SharePoint site, confirm that you have the necessary permissions, and double-check that your email address in Office 365 is up to date. Doing this beforehand can save you time and help prevent unnecessary issues. Once you've opened the Alert Me menu, choose the type of changes you want to be notified about. You can select when someone modifies a file, deletes something, adds a new item, or makes any kind of update. After that, decide how frequently you want to receive alerts immediately, daily, or weekly. Once you've completed these steps, click OK to save your alert settings. After that, you should start receiving notifications without any interruptions. It's also a good idea to test the alert by making a small change in the folder. Taking this extra step ensures everything is working correctly and keeps you fully updated. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to set up SharePoint alerts easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be facing the same issue. Why not make someone's day easier?